Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a fall ankle boots haul for you guys. I'm going to be sharing my ankle boots collection with you guys and I'm super excited. I'm going to be sharing boots from Aldo, from Call It Spring, from Nasty Gal, as well as a brand called 7 or 9. I do want to give 7 or 9 a big shout out for collaborating with me on today's video. The boots that I'll be sharing today in today's haul is actually kindly gifted by them. So thank you to 7 or 9. I absolutely love the boots. So if you guys are interested in knowing what boots I have in my collection, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so here is the first pair. These are beautiful Chelsea boots from Call It Spring. I do want to give my mother-in-law a big shout out for gifting me these boots. She got these for me, you guys, and I absolutely love them. I just love the color. These are definitely the perfect everyday casual wear boots. These are definitely my go-to at the moment when I'm going out running errands or just going out to see friends. Any daytime activity, I absolutely love using these for casual events. They're just so comfortable, you guys, and I just love the Chelsea boot, you guys. This is actually my second pair. I do have another pair which I'm going to share later with you guys. They do have a heel to them, so I don't wear them as often, but these ones I wear almost every day and they're just so comfortable and easy to slip on. I mean, you've got the loop here that kind of helps you slip your foot in, no problem. It's very easy, and I love the toe. It is an almond toe, as you guys can see. So yeah, I absolutely love these. Shout out to my mother-in-law for gifting these to me. I just want to mention the official name for these boots is the Isla Chelsea boots, and they're from Call It Spring. They are still available. I believe there's also a black color as well, so I definitely recommend these, you guys. They're super comfortable and they're very versatile and just perfect for every day. All right, next up I have the classic black ankle booties, you guys, and these are from Aldo. I actually got these a few months ago and I have been loving them. So these are the Verdi ankle boots from Aldo, you guys, and these are like the perfect classic leather booties, you guys. I absolutely love these. I always get a pair of black leather booties from either Aldo or Call It Spring, and this year I was in need of a new pair and I absolutely love these. I did want to show you guys the gold accent in the back. I just think that's so cute, and the zipper is a hidden zipper. It's on the inside so you won't see it. I've had designs in the past where the zipper was on the outside and I thought that was pretty, but I kind of like how it's more discreet with this one, and you just have a beautiful kind of detailing on the outside, and it's got a beautiful kind of square toe to it, and I just think it's so elegant. These have been my go-to for work and for any semi-formal events at the moment, as it is getting colder outside and I'm moving away from my flats and my sandals and heels. I'm moving more towards shoes like this, cute little booties that keep you warm but you are still stylish. So yeah, I've been loving these for semi-formal, formal events as well as to work. I feel like they're the perfect shoe for work, and I personally like that there isn't a heel. I was looking for something that was just flat because it's just more comfortable for me to move around every day. I'm not a heel person. I do have heels today to share with you guys, but I definitely don't wear them as often, so I wanted to get something that was just flat, that would be more comfortable for me to wear on a regular basis to work or for any kind of formal occasion. So I absolutely love these. Since we're on the black leather train, I figured it was only appropriate to move on to my next black booties to share with you guys. So these are beautiful kind of classic leather black heel booties. I absolutely love these. So I actually won these boots in a giveaway from Stephanie Macedo here on YouTube. Shout out to her. I got these about 3 years ago, but they're still going strong, you guys. I mean, you can tell I've been wearing them quite a bit, and that is just because they're super comfortable and they're just so cute, you guys. I love this zipper detailing down the middle. However, this isn't actually the zipper that you use to put the boots on. These also have a hidden zipper on the inside, which I love. It's great for easy access to put the boots on, and I like that it's hidden, and I just love this silver accent detail. I just think it's amazing. I forgot to mention these are from Nasty Gal, you guys, and they are amazing quality. I've had them for 3 years now and they are still going strong. They have really good grip. I mean, grip is such a big thing for me, especially when it comes to heels, and I just feel really comfortable walking in these, no problem. These boots also have a square toe, as you guys can see, and the heel is significantly big. However, I will say it's actually very comfortable. It's not hard to walk in. It does not hurt my feet. It's a very comfortable heel, and it's a block heel, which I personally prefer. So yeah, I absolutely love these. I feel like you need a classic black leather heeled booty for the fall, you guys. It's the perfect shoes to wear to elevate your look for any semi-formal or formal look. I will even wear these to work sometimes if I'm feeling fancy. So yeah, I absolutely love these. Unfortunately, I do think these are out of stock now because I did get them a few years back. So what I'll do is I'll try to link something very similar down below from Nasty Gal that you guys can check out if you're interested. Next up, I have these beautiful taupe booties, you guys, from a company called 7 or 9. I do want to give 7 or 9 a big shout out for kindly gifting me these boots. I absolutely love these boots, you guys. This taupe color is everything. On their website, they actually classify this color as oatmeal, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. It's so unique and so trendy, and I don't have this color in my collection. I've never actually owned any footwear in this color, so I was really excited to receive this. I think it's beautiful and it's gonna be perfect for the fall. I can't wait to dress up with this. This boot also has a square toe, you guys. I'm noticing a trend with my boots. I clearly like the square toe look, and it does have a little bit of a heel. It's definitely a lot smaller than the Nasty Gal one. I will show you guys just a quick comparison. You can see the Nasty Gal heel is a lot bigger than this one. So this one does have more of a smaller heel, so it'll definitely be a lot more comfortable. Not that the Nasty Gal ones aren't, but these boots I feel like are perfect for, you know, semi-formal, formal events, but also for every day. Like, I could see myself wearing these with some jeans. Like, I feel like you can dress these up or dress these down and they're gonna look amazing. So I absolutely love these. I feel like this color is so unique, and the zipper is also a hidden zipper, you guys. Like, this is the outside. It's got such a nice clean finish, and then you've got the zipper on the inside. So I absolutely love this. I think it's just gorgeous. All right, you guys, and the last pair of booties that I have to share with you guys today are these beautiful cream booties. So these booties are actually from Nasty Gal as well, and I actually won these in a giveaway from Stephanie as well. So shout out to Stephanie for sending me beautiful boots, you guys. And I've also had this one for 3 years. I won both of these boots in the same giveaway. So these are from Nasty Gal. I absolutely love this cream color, you guys. I feel like it's the most perfect statement color, and I love that it's also a heel. So I really only gravitate towards these for semi-formal events, or occasionally when I'm in the office at work and I want to have like a bougie pair of boots on. So definitely because of the color color. I don't use this every day. I do use these once in a while for special occasions. These are the Chelsea booties as well. As you guys can see, it's got the same look and you've got the nice loop that helps you just slip your foot in, you guys. It's actually very easy to put on, and this also has the square toe detailing. As you guys can see, it's absolutely stunning and just such a clean, edgy look, you guys. And I love this block heel, you guys. The block heel is just what finishes this look off, you guys. And this heel is definitely a lot higher as well. It's more similar to the other Nasty Gal boot, so they are higher heels, but even if they're high, they're very comfortable and easy to walk in. Another thing I love about these boots is that there's like black and also the cream. I just love the contrast. I feel like that's just so pretty and it just elevates the boots. I just think they're gorgeous. These are definitely perfect for semi-formal, perfect for a pop of color, perfect for a statement look with your footwear. So yeah, I absolutely love these. So unfortunately with this boot as well, this is a little bit outdated. I've had it for 3 years now, so I don't think they have this exact boot online for you to purchase, but I will leave something very similar down below, like how I promised for the other Nasty Gal booties. I do apologize that these ones may not be available since I did get them 3 years ago, but I'm sure you'll find something very similar on Nasty Gal's website, or even the other brands that I shared with you guys, like Aldo, Call It Spring, or even 7 or 9. I feel like they have something very similar that you can find and you'll love. Alright you guys, so that is pretty much it for today's fall ankle boots haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link all of the boots down below in the description box that I shared with you guys, and for the ones that are a little bit outdated, I'll leave very similar links down below from the brands that I shared with you guys, so you guys can definitely check those out. If you guys enjoyed this haul and you want to see more, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!